How to use the manual fill program on your Samsung top-load washing machine. The manual fill program allows you to wash clothes by filling water manually from an external source. This is ideal for reusing previously collected water with a bucket or similar container. Before you begin, add detergent directly into the empty tub. Then place the garments evenly and close the lid. Step 1. Turn on the manual fill program. Turn on the washing machine. Turn the dial to select the manual fill program. Step 2. Press the start button. The machine will automatically begin weight sensing to determine the right water level for your load. Step 3. When weight sensing is complete, the target water level will blink on the panel with a sound alert. Open the lid and start filling water using a bucket or similar container. Step 4. As you fill, the water level indicator on the panel lights up one by one toward the target level. When the target level is reached, stop filling and close the lid. Step 5. Press the Start button to begin the wash cycle. Your Samsung top-load washing machine is now washing with the manually supplied water. Please note, repeat the same manual water supply process during the rinse cycle. The machine will alert you when it is time to fill water again. Tip: if you start with water already in the tub, it may be detected as the maximum water level for safety reasons. In this case, adjust to a lower water level using the water level button. Then press Start to begin washing immediately. Please note, stop filling immediately at the target level. Otherwise, overflow or forced drainage may occur. Do not pour boiling water above 60 degrees Celsius. This may damage internal components or cause scalding. If the filled water is below the target level, the cycle will not start. Adjust the water level using the water level button and press Start.